Keblai Pibaro, Shakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kimat makongsan menta kesini kilong. Duk ki kena bantu exam DSC Khasi Jylla Presbyterian High Secondary School bapoi Lber. Arsngi kenduk ki start ha College of Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Sciences Umyam ban kentiwi karep karyang. Penlong Viksit Bharat Yuva Connect Program Youth Parliament ke Donbosco College Binti Hati. Bat dakijing yakok mare laraki ke International Women's Day hari boy. Bat mentangin pa shigi Khubor bakam banyak. Haka step jangka nyaw terik Lber arhajar arpun rew ki kena ki batmu bantu ki exam DSC haka post pion ki badon kumbalai pongot ki laduk no bantu ki exam namar ke jingbam syak ki bor penyak bandrung shipok kamra tho exam haka school Khuborjylla Presbyterian High Secondary School Jylla wat hadin bikila kerpat kinong upgate ban syak bandrung Henry nakaliang kinong up Kim Sha-shu da kaboong baka jingwan poi jongpi kala palat kapor. Ki kena ki bahak bandu no banto ke exam kila pentep bakila poi ha kapor prasan po bat donru ki bapoi ha kapor kandai baje Henry ke gate kala khang. Kumta kim yo shu bandrung. Hadin kat tu kat nipor habadon ki bala apsa ha ketiga jaka ka gate kala pli Henry ha kapor baki temu bandrung unong up gate sha bandrung bakapor kala palat. Kat kum kejing betha admit kat day ban poi bat report shiteng kenta shwa kapor banto ya ke exam.
Harmet kat kami ini macam apa? Jylla tahu, jika apa belum cara, jika ada mulai coba, nama jika ini kena guna, nama jika krem, ada day kena guna, jika kita kena guna, siapa tahu yang kena guna, perasan pupra, jika ini kena guna, kalakang, kena perasan pau ni poi, perasan pau, lakang, keren itu kah, perasan pupra, ni yang tipu nama kang mana lagi dia, ni kena guna, kalakang yang pecah ni, Wali ada buat. Ni orang ni belum ni mas. Uli kat mereka. Ni susu. Mereka ni lagi apa? Ni ketinggi bahasa. Ni macam apa?
Kan biji poinnya.
Lagi duna.
Saya dah. Jadi buat for exam deh.
Kalian harus lagi duna lagi.
Tiket bukan tiket, kan biji lagi iPhone tu.
Yang poin itu voting time tu ada kasih tak.
Sistem.
Apa lagi duna. Dia ailat ini kita pergi ni dah. Jadi dia pergi lah yang kerpat.
Tak request eh.
Saya request.
Kim okey om lah.
Yang syak sudah. Long sudah.
Kini ni kim mau hukum ni kim syak gikat ni na.
Tip lah. Ni yang pihak kerpat lah ya Pak Peli ya. Apa kayak om long sudah.
Kiki om gikat syak syuk. Cuma tu exam ni mana sih?
Ka Yupion.
Okey, kerja hai tangani sentar ni dah.
Tip syuk finger tu. Berbuli pula kan. Dia dan di bak dia dia kan.
Ki scientist kerep karyang bat kinong hikai jong ke school ba College of Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Sciences CPGSAS Umyam Riboy District kila penlong ya kejingetai bat kejingemer jingmut ba arsngi halor ki phang babonjat ban kintiu ya kerep karyang hagathan shatay lammi kari India North Eastern States. Kani kelumpung ya merjingmut kania tairu ikipang ban penroy bat kintiu ya kerep karyang kat kum kejing temu bat kejing sandur jong ke sorkar India ban wanra ikejing kela ha ki rukom rep kenang ban kintiu kinong rep bat ban penbon kejing penmi ya ki marbam ha kari India barok kawai kamtam hagathan shatay lammi Ya kini kelempung ya kenduk ki start bat kinong hikai jong kini ke skul ba la kershan bat Beijing lut da ke skul ba Central Agricultural University CAU Imphal ringkat ba ke Indian Council for Agricultural Research ICR Atari Zone 6 bat ke ICR Atari Zone 7 Umyam. Hagani kelumpung ye merjing mot ki start akarep karyang kini kren halor ki jingdon kami ki tiar gitar bat ki kor ki bor bathamai kentup ki jing start bat ka jing tip digital bat ka artificial intelligence AI. Kini kelumpung kan ye meru kumnu ban kentiu bat ban yarap iki nong rep nang nu ban the iki tiar gitar bat kumnu ban penyat jawi ki marep ba ki lepen mi na ki lengka. Lem da kentiu ya ka yok ka kot ka roi ka pa peding ki nong rep kari hibarok kawe kanum tur syaprang kalong kapang berkat hakini kelempong.
What is generative AI? AI and generative AI, do you know the difference? So everybody uses ChatGPT?
Yes.
Right? So this is an example of generative AI. Why generative? We are giving prompts. Like this is my scenario, write a mail. This is my topic, please prepare a thesis. Right? This is my problem, please give me a solution. We talk to AI. And AI is answering us. AI is generating answer. We are giving prompts, AI is generating. So this is what generative AI is. उसमें हमें कुछ नहीं करना है. Everybody is comfortable with Hindi? No. So no? Okay, no issues. So the basic AI is about machine learning and deep learning. Right? We train models, we use a different architecture, we use different kind of metadata, we do trainings, we do take samples. Everything is done by us. When it's come to generative AI, AI has already learned everything. Now it will give you answer, a generative answer. So this is the basic difference between artificial intelligence and a generative AI. Now we'll see some components. Now the big question for us is data. When we're dealing with any kind of solution, like any, not only GIS, any solution, the basic requirement is to have your data. If you don't have any data, you cannot train your models, you cannot do any analysis, no projection, nothing you can achieve. The basic requirement is data. As I said that you have in-house drones. So drone से आप data ले सकते हो, you can acquire drone imagery, right? Pre and post processing can be done on one single software. Satellite imagery is a one kind of data. Data or picture clicked by your phone is also a data. If you're clicking a picture, you can do analysis on that. By clicking a picture on your phone, you can create a whole project that you're not aware of. We think it's just a phone imagery, we cannot do anything. But GIS is not limited to satellite only. It is not limited to drone only. GIS is in every single thing that you're working. Every single thing that you're using. Everybody is using Ola, Uber, Blinkit, Zepto, Zomato. What is the base for that? GIS. GIS is base for every application. GPS. We cannot survive with any delivery application. Like I'm from Delhi, I don't go outside to purchase anything. I just order in 10 minutes delivery, I'm getting everything. Right? So every single application uses GIS as a base. Best example to understand is GMDA, Gurgaon Metropolitan City. Varanasi Digital Twin. If you see more than 17 smart cities are on GIS platform. Zepto you guys are using, biggest user of ArcGIS Pro. So this is what basically GIS is. So data requirement is solved. We have satellites, we have phone, we have Excel sheets. You have seen the maps, right?
Ka Don Bosco College Bindi Hati, kalapelong ya ka Viksit Bharat Connect Program Youth Parliament hakan Rhetoric Lber, balashimenta di Samla Puli da ka Jinkmen bat ka Jingshongshit ka Bajurpa. Kani ka program kalazdang ha Khuborjylla Baji ha EV Hall jong ka college. Kijing temu pekongsan jong kani ka program kilong ban sandur ya kinong yalam jong kalaway bantay ka mensi mitrelang bat ban wanra ya ka jing sngo kia ha pedeng ki Samla bat ban don bentang ha ki kam bantay ya kalaway jong kari bat ka jat ban riu namar ki Samla kilong kinong yalam pekongsan ha ki por pandangwan. Kakong heni daka baman kala ay ka jingkren pediang sngoba ya barok ki balapoi syugani ka program. Reverend pada Daniel Kaji Principal ula pinkup buram ya ke simi kong tiang kum ke Samla bekensai ban perthok bot ha jingle jingkam. Lekin tak ding ya ke syarak ke simi kong tiang babu Johnny Lamare, babu Lucas bat u principal. Ke kong simi kong tiang kala ai ke jingkren bat lepen bot sedar ke jingyemir jingmon bat da ke pla jingkeli bagi Samla ki Lebo ban yo jingtep bat jing pensyai ha ki babun ki liang. Lapen longru ia ke jing kop ia tainia bat ke kong simi kong tiang kelasa mi ki busket syakinong job. Ha ke kelan no sngi lapelong ia ke youth parliament ha ke bagi Samla puli ki le shimenta de ke jing shongshit. Ia kinong job la ai kusnam de uba krison langstang. Uba bumang kerpang khar kongor ula ai ke jingkren kublai penwai ya barok kinong penyat bat kinong yeshimenta ha ki program beper ha ke ni ke sngi. Ke youth parliament ke lelong ke bejob bat ke bansa ken mau ha peding ki Samla puli jong ke Donbosco College Binti Hati ha ki por banwat.
We don't get this type of platform. When I was in school, we were given only debates and extempore speech. And you students in this generation, you are being giving importance right from the you see from the government organized from the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs. I think if it'll be very, I'll just ask one direct questions to the participants and from the students here. What do you think? Why do you think the government is organizing this kind of program? One just simple answer.
To connect with the youth.
Okay, to connect with the youth, yes. To build confidence, okay, yes. Be very open because I also want to know that. I also want to get the knowledge. I also want to, so that I can take something from here and whenever I give a program or speech in somewhere else, I'll share the same thing. It's always a learning process. Me standing here as a politician, as an MPC doesn't make me a master of everything or know everything. It's always learning. Education is a continuous learning process. I request you. So I think my opinion is this type of programs are held because so that we build a better future, a stronger youth for the future, so that you at the target I think is by 2047 that India becomes one of the strongest superpower in everything. And in India, I think you all know whether we have the most youth percentage-wise in the rest compared with other countries. India has the highest youth between the age to 35 till 35 years. So this, I think that is why the government is focusing on this youth, so that we can actually build, I said, build a better future, a stronger understanding, and you to be the leaders. Me, I will say, and I will request you, the youth also here, the participant here, please don't take when you are giving this kind of program, and you come prepared, and you give your speech. It's very nice. And so it's competition is always there, so winner, and there's always someone runner. I won't say loser. So you don't stop. You don't stop it just after these programs, just after on this thing, you stop doing your research and you start learning. Reading now is very important that you students keep yourself up to date.
Shibenta ke jingrakhi ke sngi kan mau burami ki longkemi satalak perthai International Women's Day haman ke pratarik Lber hakan nyau tarik Lber ke Khelo India Center KIC Ribhoi ringkat bak kamai Bharat Ribhoi kala rakhi kerpang ye kini ke sngi da ke bepenlong ye ke lempung ye lekai Asmita Lik Hamadan Marnga hakani ke lempung ye lekai lapelong ye ke jingkop mare athletics 100 meters 200 meters bak 400 meters halai teli ki kerdan kata ki bah pok khat lai snem kerta ki bah khat lai snem haduk khat pras nem bat khat pras nem shaneng bala shimenta ri Samla kan thei bat ki long kemi kumensia thu ikni ke program ka long ru shibenta jong ka Asmita League ka bala penbet da ke Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports jong ka Sarkar India bat Sarkar Jylla ban kentiu bat penslur ya ki kenthei ban shimenta ka jeng kop sports babunjat jong kani kejok hakini kelumpung ye lekai lasaki da ke Dr. Tibiam Ayush Medical Officer Marngar PHC ha ka jeng donlang Michael Timate Deputy Director My Bharat Ribhoi ka kong MG Walang Principal ke St Alfred High Secondary School Marngar Samla Sylvester Lingdo Kilo India coach lembat ki Samla kentai bat kilong kemi ki belawan ban shim benta bat ban mi madan ha kini ke jingkop ha kini ke sengi ha ke bakut ke jingile kai kinong penyat ki lesam ya ki busket bat ki sernot syabarok kinong jam.
Organize it in a different way. We are introducing the Asmita League. Asmita, which stands for Achieving Sports Milestone by Inspiring Women Through Action program, with athletics events across all categories for women, empowering them and then encouraging the participation of women in sports, and as well as taking the opportunity to identify talents as a talent hunt competition, so that the winners may, if their timings, if their noted timings are good, maybe their timings as well as their profile will be uploaded on the National Sports Repository website, whereby if interested or if their performances are good, they may be called for further trials to represent the district as well as the state in future any sporting events. Now, Asmita is part of Hello India's gender-neutral mission to promote sports among women through leagues and competition. As such, the Sports Authority of India and the My Bharat organization, both of which falls under the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, we have come together to celebrate the National Women's Day through sports for women, whereby in this location we have conducted 100 meters, 200 meters, 400 meters across the age groups of under 13, under 18 and 18 plus categories, in partnership with My Bharat Riboy as well as Hello India Center, Margar Riboy. Now, apart from this district, all across the country, events will be organized either tomorrow on the eve of the National Women's Day, or today on the eve of National Women's Day, or tomorrow International Women's Day, across the country in 250 locations, 3 of them in Meghalaya, 1 in Nongstoin, 1 in Williamnagar and 1 in Riboy. The sport chosen here is athletics in Riboy, and football is the sport chosen for Williamnagar, and table tennis is the sport chosen for Nongstoin.
Amanchal Kumar IS Ketri ke Ministry of Development of North Eastern Region Dona rengkat Bu Shri Satinder Kumar Bhalla Ketri ke North Eastern Council but Dr. Arun Kumar Sarma Director General Connector Hinin ke sengi ke Riu Tarik Lber ke lelit jurip ya ke wei ke karkhana ke bepenmi ya ke tiar pendon kam lingba ke dingkat ke beletip kum ke Riboy Common Facility Center CFC ke bedon hakashnong Siang Riboy District Meghalaya. Kini ke center ke dek away neki khat artli ke CFC ke bidang shna hakeling ke than North East jongkari India hapok ke project bela kershan de ke PM Divine bela tip kerteng a value chain on utilization of banana pseudo stem for value added products. Ya kini ke project lebih tingkar de ke Ministry of Development of North Eastern Region MDONA ya ke bela penterikam de ke North East Center for Technology and Research NEHU. Hagani ke jinglet jurip, lesen ran lang deki head officer ke district Raja Brahma ADC ke Riboy, ubelong ru project director ke DRDA, harungkat ke jingadon lang gemba arpongut kinong rep na ketika than, bat shipongut kirang ba shnong. Na kaliang uba Raja Brahma, harungkat kinong peniat ye ketika karkhana, kele yok ban ai ke jing pensyai ke babenya halor ke rukom terekam jong ketika karkhana syakite ki he officer ki bawan jurip ha ketika sengi kentup nadu ke jing ther ye ki ksai na uding kat banana pseudo stem ke jing penmi dawai ki balong organic lembat ki wei ki bei ki benta jong ketika karkhana kite ki he officer ki bawan ban jurip ha ketika sengi kele yo ekalat ban sakhi hi dalade ke rukom terekam jong ki machine bat kumnu benta jong udingkat ubaju ken kum umarep bala kentat mentalala ban penkela shikimar ki bedondor bat ki bala bandi shikiyo kajing wan jong sketri ke MDONA bat ki wei ki he officer kalong kajing ai men sim ke bakrau ye ki nong rep bat ki pat ba shnong ha ka ba ki la ai ru kajing ro ya ka kam pakalong ke nuksa ke babha ka ba amtang ba kay rap kajing penkhot ye kamariang Henry ke thauru ikilat kamai ki baskem na kabenta ki pat nong shnong Shu la ongru bakani ka project kan a jing hikai bat jingirap ye kinong rep bakinang la ban penmi ye ki mar ki badondor kum ki ksai leni ki banana fiber Kimar kiblashna ni exciting kat bat kidawai kibalong organic ha kabagani kan plila iki kanhun SHG ki khun samla be kinong rep banseng ya ki kam ki jam jongki ha kishnong ki tha.
In charge. You know the process. Who will be sitting? They must be ऐड करके इसका वॉल्यूम मतलब ये कैपेसिटी पहले सबसे पहले वो
Bat dakini ki Khubor ngilapoi syakabakut tak haduk bangdai syam yang kublai shibon.